Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about how to measure dry and wet ingredients for my pancake recipe. I have in front of me my tools that are needed. So I have my measuring cups, also known as ladles. I have measuring spoons. I have my 2 bowls where I will be putting my dry ingredients. I have my measuring cup for my liquid ingredient, and then I have my knife to level my dry ingredients off. So I'm going to start off by measuring 1 cup of flour. For my recipe, I actually need 2.5 cups, but for this demonstration, I'm just going to show you with 1 cup. So I'm going to take my 1 cup ladle. It's marked on top that it is 1 cup. I'm going to scoop my flour, and then I'm going to take my knife, because obviously you can see that it is not level. I'm going to align the flat part of my knife with my handle, and I'm going to scoop my flour back into the container. So once that is perfectly level, you can, I'm gonna add that into my bowl where I'll put the rest of the flour. Okay, I would do that another cup and then another half. So now I'm going to move on to my sugar. I need, I believe, 1 tablespoon of sugar. So again, this is a container where we keep our sugar. I'm gonna look for my measuring spoon. That is my 1 tablespoon. Have it here. Again, it is marked on the measuring spoon on the handle. I'm going to take my measuring spoon. I'm going to scoop my sugar. And again, it's not leveled. I'm going to take my knife, align, and scoop the sugar back into my container. Now I have 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm going to add that to my second bowl. And then I would add these bowls as part of my mise en place. And I'm going to do that also with my other ingredients. So my salt, my baking powder, and then my chocolate chips. One important thing is that you never want to press down on the dry ingredients, because that changes the whole recipe. The only dry ingredient that you can pack down is brown sugar. But in this case, I don't need any, so that doesn't apply to me. Next, I need my liquid ingredients. So I need my milk. I'm gonna just show with 1 cup. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take my measuring cup. I'm going to look for 1 cup. So that's over there. I'm gonna place my measuring cup on a flat leveled surface so that I get the most accurate measurement. I take my milk, and then I'm just gonna pour my milk into my measuring cup until I reach that 1 cup mark. And I'm gonna get down to eye level so that I can see where my 1 cup of milk ends. So there we go, double check that. We got 1 cup of milk, and now my milk is ready to be added to my mise en place. Thank you for watching.